Hey, so I'm back on the 912, and what I intend to do is fix all of the rust damage that I have inside the car, and specifically the rear seats. So before I start to do this, I want to be able to remove all the old carpeting and the old paneling, and then after actually paint everything from the interior to the engine bay to underneath the car for some rust protection. Some snake carcasses fell out. So I'm in the back in the engine bay. This is where the blower goes to. So this thing sits in here. Problem is, I have two bolts that are broken. And so there's no easy way to get them out. So what I'm gonna do is, I guess I'm gonna cut these and I'm going to weld my own nut on it. And hopefully this works. This is my easiest way. There's nowhere to get it from the back, so that this can go on. Alright, so I finished painting everything and I let it dry. So this is as far as I'm going to take it for now. And I'll show you guys what I did. So starting from the rear, I did the whole engine bay. And the whole interior. I also did underneath the car and on the bottom all the way to the front. Yeah, so what I did was, after trying to clean everything as much as I possibly could, fix some rust damage, I used a combination of an enamel paint for rust prevention and POR 15. So I bought a gallon of it, and that's mostly what all this is. I did only the interior of the car and I guess the roll bar, so that all this you don't see when you put the interior in. It's just mainly just for rust prevention. I did the same thing on the bottom, inside the wheel well in here. I decided not to do the doors yet because I don't really know what I'm gonna do with them. So everything was just inside the car. So it took a long time. Yeah, it took a long time only because I had a lot of other things going on. So, but it is done for now, and I will move on to something else. So, thank you.